What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of us doing car stuff. Today we are going to pull the front control arms out, and we're going to replace the rubber bushings with some brand new red poly bushings from Energy Suspension. So I got the bushings for the front and the rear control arms. We're probably just gonna do the fronts today because I got a few hours to kill, and I don't want to take the rear control arms off just yet because that's a giant dick. So we're gonna do this. We are in the air and I'm trying to figure out what I want to take off first. What I'm thinking is I'll just take the ball joint strap off, and then we'll just pull the whole control arm out because I don't want to take the ball joint off. Let's take all this out with us, take it to Pendleton, and get them to press these in. Hey, the splitter works as like a nice little camera stand. What's up, guys? So this is gonna be hard for you guys to see anyways. Ooh, forgot. The splitter is there too. So we'll get these off and then we'll go from there. By the way, soak everything in penetrating oil. I use the stuff that we sell at work and it's amazing. It's probably the best shit I've ever used, but unfortunately, most of y'all can't get it unless you have a shop. So just get PB Blaster and soak it in there for a while, and then these things should come off hopefully good. Get the first one off. First disgusting ass bolt. Let's go to the second. All right, let me show you what's going on back here. So we got the basically the ball joint and the bracket for the sway bar endlings off. So now we just have this dude, and then there's one back here that we gotta pull. And then we'll be good to go. All right, we got one side out. Now, to save me some time, I'm not gonna film doing the other side. I'm just gonna knock the other side out real quick, and then I'll wash up and we'll go across the street to the tire shop.
Several bad puns later.
Right, now that both of these guys are out, let's go to the tire shop and throw our new bushings on, which here are the bushings for the front. So these gotta come, bring the arms, and we are good to go. So I'm never really joking when I say the tire shop is right across the street from our house, because I'm at the intersection to the house, and it's right there. So we'll go say hi to Zach and all those guys, and press out these bushings and press the new ones in. So hopefully they're not busy, because I want to throw these things back on the car when I get home, so I can throw the car back on the ground. Also, why I keep looking down, the downfall of all S2000s is you can never see the light when you're close to it, so you gotta always look down and look. It's a giant pain in the ass. But we're here. Let's go inside. Alright, so we got the bushings out of this giant C-clamp. Got that one out. Ken's got the other one. And we threw the new bushing in. So basically we are working on getting these guys in there now.
later.
All right, our control arms are finished up. Here's the old bushing. Trash the other ones, but we got that one to show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up. Thank you for Pendleton for always helping me do my shit, and we'll get back and throw these on the car. All right, we are back at the house. I kind of washed up a little bit just to get more dirty to throw these control arms in, but we've got our finished control arms, which I'm excited for. We've got these guys all good to go, and yeah. Time to slap them back in.
Tomorrow.
What's up, guys? It is the next day since we did poly bushings and stuff, but I quit filming yesterday because we ran into some problems, and give you my advice on what you should do to avoid them. So, getting the bushings in general was really easy. This one we just pressed out. This guy you have to cut, and there's a metal ring, and then you bend that ring out, and it can come off this end. This end is also has flares on it, so it holds that bushing in there really well. Now the problem we had was, if you guys do this on your own, you need to line up this guy first. Get those bolts in first, and then do the subframe, and then do the hub. So we did it, this one, that we did the subframe, hub, and that. And it didn't line up great, so that's the problem. Like, you're gonna end up putting your bolts in at an angle if you try to do it that way, so don't do that. And also put anti-seize on them, because when we took out those bolts, when I took them out, I galled the hell out of those welded on nuts on the subframe, or body, or whatever that is. I galled the hell out of those nuts. It was rough. So we had to get a tap, which, where is it? Here it is, this little bastard. We had to get a tap from Richmond to chase those holes and recut those threads and just make them good. But yeah, we've got everything good. We're just gonna button them up, throw the wheels back on, and get the car on the ground, and then we'll be good to go. But yeah, that's my little 2 cents. Do this side first, use anti-seize to put it all back together, and you will thank me later, because your life is gonna be easier. So yeah, that's what we got going on, and let's just throw the wheels back on. I also got to put this little cover back on here. What do you know, I'm editing another video and I completely forgot to add an outro for y'all to watch. I'm editing this one, gonna get it out soon, but thank you guys for watching. I'll let you know how the polyurethane bushings in the front feel. We've got the autocross tomorrow, so I'll probably take the car out. I'll rip it a few times and I'll let the other guys drive it because they've been wanting to drive it for a while. But I'm gonna get this video out. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the bushings in the comments. Let me know what bushings you guys use, what bushings y'all prefer. And be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. For all of you current subscribers, thank you guys for the support, and we will see you next time. Bye.